And the question is this: why don't American companies have innovation portals like most foreign manufacturers have to review new technology that affect the manufacturing process? This seems to be a problem that developed over the last 20 years. This is a good question, and some of the most innovative companies do have a way for people to introduce new technology into manufacturing and other areas. Why don't more people do it in the U.S.? I have a theory. My theory is pretty simple. They're too busy putting out forest fires. They're probably thinking, well, the last thing I need is some innovative new manufacturing process. I can't even keep the ones I got running right. Now, that may seem a little bit defeatist, but it's probably the reality of what's going on. They're just so busy stomping out fires, they don't have time to think about new ways of doing things. And it has created some issues in the U.S. relative to competitiveness in the manufacturing world. We're willing to take those things on. Most innovations in this country come through product design, if you go back and really look at them. That forces some level of manufacturing innovation. So, and this individual is right on point. A lot of our foreign competitors, especially the Japanese, are always looking for ways to improve their processes. And they're inviting that in, but not so much for the U.S. manufacturers.